Hey folks, it's Kevin O'Neill. I wanted to share this video with you about homeowners insurance. Florida is a state where it's very difficult to find good coverage at a good rate. There's a lot of reasons for that, and I'm going to talk about that in just a minute, but I got to tell you, we moved down here to Boca Raton, and when I started looking into homeowners insurance, I found out that it was a royal pain in the rump. In Florida, it's a lot different than any other state. A lot of the other states where you guys, some of you may live, it's just a simple matter of talking to your insurance carrier and getting homeowners insurance. No big deal. Down here, it's a whole different ball game. So for any of you who live in Florida, you know exactly what I'm talking about. For those of you who are just moving to Florida or looking into homeowners insurance down here, the reason for that is it started with all the hurricanes. So all of the hurricanes have done damage, and there's been so many claims on the homeowners insurance that, I guess with Hurricane Andrew and all of the subsequent hurricanes coming through, the major insurance carriers have basically just pulled out of the state. They're no longer here. So with less supply and ever-increasing demand, you've got increasing rates and the coverage is not as good. So what do you do if you're down here in Florida and you're trying to get homeowners insurance? What do you do? And this is another thing that happens. So you may be in this boat, and if not, and you're looking at homeowners insurance for the first time, from talking to my friends, what's going on down here is once you get homeowners insurance coverage, you get a good rate, and then all of a sudden the next year, they'll jack up the rates on you. And so now you're back in that same boat where every year you're trying to get a new homeowner's insurance quote and get good coverage at the best rate. That's what we all want. Of course, right? Give me the most I can get for the least amount of money. That's natural. So what's the solution to this down here? Well, you can spend a whole bunch of time and you can talk to 15, 20 different insurance companies and get rates from each of them. Or, here's what I found. Insurance Express is a company in Florida. They're one of the largest independently owned insurance companies down here in Florida. And the cool part about these guys is they have every carrier, or almost every carrier, that carries home insurance coverage in Florida available to them. So they represent all of these different carriers or agencies. Look, I'm not I'm not an agent, so if I have the terminology slightly wrong, I apologize for that. But you get what I'm trying to say. These guys are able to carry all of these different companies' insurance. So, bottom line for you is this. If you head over to their website, what you're going to find is that you can fill in your information one time, and they have this really cool system where it will pull in quotes from every available carrier and show you your lowest rates and where you can compare coverages and get just what you're after, the lowest rates with the best coverage. Now, the other thing that this does with Insurance Express, and frankly one of the reasons they're one of the largest carriers or providers down here, independently owned providers, is their customer service is, frankly, just fantastic. I've spoken with folks over at the company. I've spoken with the owner of the company, and the thing that I realize is that they really care about taking care of you and making you a customer for life. They want to help reduce all of the frustration and the how annoying it is to constantly have to search over and over again for new quotes every year. So, if something's changing, they're going to let you know, they're going to do the research, and they're going to get with you and say, hey, look, this carrier has changed some things, but here's 4 or 5 other options. Which one do you prefer? There you go. So, again, saving you a lot of time, energy, hassle. You've got someone looking out for you and for your best interests. Of course, they have great rates on all the other types of insurance that you might need as well. So I hope that this is helpful for you. My suggestion is if you want to save some time and some energy on homeowners insurance here in Florida and you need coverage, if you own a home and you need coverage for home insurance, head over to their website. They also have a toll-free number. You can give them a call right now and just speak directly to an agent. Some people don't want to fill out the form. Either way, what they're going to do, whether you call the toll-free number or if you head to the website, is they're going to, they have the system that automatically plugs in your information, aggregates all of the data from all of the different carriers in Florida, and so very quickly you're going to find out the best rates, the best coverage. In my book, that's the way to go. So, you know, do the research yourself, check it out, see if you think that this is good advice. I hope it's helpful for you.